Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're making white French Madeleines with a beautiful white chocolate shell. First, in a bowl, add 75 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 10 grams of vanilla powder, and the zest of half a lemon. Mix well. Next, add 2 whole eggs, 30 grams of honey, 15 grams of milk, and 15 grams of oil. Whisk until smooth. Then add 100 grams of flour, and 3.5 grams of baking powder. Add 85 grams of melted unsalted butter and mix until you have a smooth batter. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Once chilled, transfer the batter into a piping bag and fill each Madeleine mold about halfway. This recipe makes about 18 to 20 Madeleines. Preheat the oven to 201 degrees, then bake at 185 degrees for about 10 minutes until lightly golden. Remove from the molds and let them cool while baking the second batch. Meanwhile, melt 100 grams of white chocolate over hot water until it reaches 40 to 45 degrees. Then cool it to 28 to 29 degrees. Let's cut one madeleine open. Look at that texture. Soft, fluffy, buttery, and perfectly baked. Pipe a thin layer of white chocolate into the madeleine mold. Place each madeleine on top and chill for 30 minutes in the fridge or 5 minutes in the freezer. And voila! Beautiful white chocolate madeleines, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The full recipe is in the description below. If you try it, leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more recipes. See you in the next video.